This kitchen looks expensive, but here's something strange. The cabinets aren't premium, the appliances aren't luxury. So why does it look professionally designed? Because of a few hidden cabinet decisions that most beginners never notice. In this video, I'll show you how to build a complete kitchen in Coohom using cabinets, tall units, appliances, and wall cabinets. And by the end, your kitchen will look completely different. Now, let's start designing.
Part 1. The cabinet that controls everything. Go to the Kitchen Design tool on the right panel. We've already explored the basics in the previous video. Today, we're diving much deeper. First, open base cabinets. For a modern kitchen, I'm choosing no-handle cabinets. You can use common cabinets if you prefer a traditional style. Now open corner cabinets. You'll notice multiple options here. Some are designed for sinks. Others are standard storage cabinets. I'm selecting the standard single-door corner cabinet. Now drag the cabinet into your kitchen. At first, it won't fit perfectly, and that's normal. Switch to 2D mode. Zoom in, rotate the cabinet, adjust the position carefully. Now watch what happens next. One small setting changes everything.
Now click the cabinet, then move to the right side settings. Open Advanced Settings. Here, we're going to adjust the side seal panel depth.
Set it to approximately 2 feet. Then return to Basic Settings. Adjust its height to 3 feet and depth to 2 feet. Now the cabinet starts looking properly integrated into the layout. Next, go to Drawer Cabinets. Choose a 3-drawer cabinet. Drag it beside the corner unit. Here's the interesting part. Most beginners waste time adjusting every cabinet individually. But once you've correctly positioned the first cabinet, Coohom automatically helps align the others. Now let's continue building the run. Add left-handle cabinet, double door cabinet, trash bin cabinet, narrow bin cabinet, stove cabinet. As you place them, adjust widths where necessary. Don't worry if everything isn't perfect immediately. We're building the structure first. Refining comes later.